Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be sharing my trade ideas on a coin called 1inch. Also I'm going to be doing some technical analysis on it. So I'm going to keep things really simple here, guys. I'm just going to be using price action. But first things first, we'll just go take a look at 1inch. We'll see what 1inch is, right? Go on coin market cap right here. We see current price is $4.98, market cap 742 million, volume 182 million. Currently there's 149 million 1inch in circulation. Token was issued around December 24th. So what is 1inch? 1inch is a decentralized exchange connecting several DXs into one platform to allow its users to find the most efficient swapping routes across all platforms. You could go check out their website at 1inch.exchange. And then next thing what I want to do, I want to go on CoinMarketCap. I want to see if they have any events coming up. They had an event today. And then other than that, we're just going to do some technical analysis on it. So there's not too much data that we could go on since it was launched on December 25th right here. So what we're going to be doing here, we're just going to be doing support and resistance. This is what we're going to be doing, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to draw some support areas, some resistance areas that look interesting to me, right? These areas right around here, I would say this looks interesting to me. The $3.07 area. Another area that looks interesting is $3.80. Another area that looks interesting right here is that $4.52 or $4.40 right around here. And then areas of resistance we're seeing right here being resisted. And there's a lot of action around this area between $4.57 and $5.08. $5.08 being its resistance. And then we'll take a look at it right here. Another resistance area, $5.66, and then we'll also add the wicks right here, right? So if you actually pull the Fibonacci retracements, and we'll go from right here, from the low. After it made its initial move on the first day, it pulled back. We'll go from right here, right? And then we'll go all the way to the top of that, the high, right? Basically. So if you see, basically, the 0.618 coincides with the support line that I drew, right? Also the 0.5 right here, right? 0.382 right around here. So at the end of the day, guys, I just want to show you, it all comes down to one thing: price action. It's what are you willing to pay? What are you willing to pay, basically, right? Oh, that just basically took that up, but we'll just do this quick. Yeah, so it all basically comes down to what are you willing to pay for a coin, for a stock, whatever it is, right? And then basically, the way that I will be playing this out, this is the way I will play it out. You don't have to play it out like this. It's just my opinion. And I'm talking about, you gotta, before you enter a trade, you gotta know what you're gonna do, right? You gotta know how you're playing it out. What am I doing with this? Am I scalping it? Am I holding it? Am I investing in it? Am I short-term trading it? What am I doing, right? So this is what I will do. This is how I'm gonna enter the trade. I'm gonna look for it to come around, basically test $4.52. $4.52, $4.40 right around here will be my entry. I'll enter, I'll take a small position. I'll take a small position on it, and then basically I'll have a stop loss. I'll have a stop loss, and the stop loss, it all determines on your account. What are you willing to really risk, right? But you don't also want to put a stop loss that's unreasonable, right? So right around here, as you see, this candle right here, if you're looking at this candle, and we go to the bottom of this candle, I'll place my stop loss around $4.07, right? My entry will be around $4.45. So basically, I'm risking 40 cents on this trade, right? So you want to start off small, right? Just in case it goes against you, and then you just basically get stopped out and you just cut it loose, right? So once you get stopped out, you don't have to get all emotional about it or whatever, right? Because not all the time it's gonna go your way. It's not you against 1inch. It's not this trade is either gonna make you or break you, right? It's what it matters about is a series of trades, not just one trade, right? So you want to start off slow, and then take a small position and see how it goes, right? And if this goes my way, and then breaks over $5.08, what I would do, I would wait for a retest of $5.08. Let's just say, for instance, it goes and breaks it. I'll wait for a retest of $5.08, get a confirmation that this wants to continue moving up, right? And if it does, I'll see a confirmation consolidation, and then what I will do, I would add on to my trade. I'll take another smaller position, right, for the break of it's $5.88, right? $5.88. And then if it breaks it, so you gotta understand, it's not just gonna break through it and then keep going up, right? Usually what happens is every time it makes a new high, especially this is not gonna be a new high, but if it breaks this resistance level, what's gonna happen is it's gonna pull back, right? So it'll look like something like this, right? It doesn't necessarily have to, it all depends, right? Because you gotta think about it psychologically. Right around here, there's sellers, right? As soon as it comes around this area, there's sellers. If buyers start coming in around this area, and it'll drive the price up, right? But and then what will happen is you'll see something like this. It'll break out and it'll come back and retest this area. If it comes back and retests this area and actually holds it, not just breaks out and comes back, fakes out, I'll add on to my position, right? So where would my target areas be, right? So how would I even play this out? So this is what I would do. My potential target areas on this would be from the breakout point right around here, right around here. This is where my target areas would be. So $8.90. Doesn't necessarily mean it's just gonna start heading $8.90, right? So it'll look something like this. I'll break out right here. I'll come back and test it. If it holds it, it'll make a higher high, and then higher low, and a higher high, and a higher low. And if I see that there's still pressure coming in, buying pressure coming in, what I would do, I'll only take partials. Like for instance, if I get in a position right around here, $4.40, breaks out over $5.08, I'll add on to my position or whatnot, right? And then once it gets right around here, the resistance area, I'll take off half my position and I'll let the other half ride. So right now what I did, I just locked in some profits and I'm letting the other half ride. And then if it goes up and then comes back and tests and I see that there's buying pressure coming in and everything, it's not faking out, what I will do, I'll add on to my position, right? So, and then I'll wait it and I'll ride it along. I'll let it ride. So the thing is, if the coin is going your way, it doesn't matter if it's a coin, if it's a stock, whatever it is, right? If it is going your way, so a lot of people, what they want to do, they just want to all of a sudden get it right around here. You want to sell it. They sell their whole position, right? The best thing to do is sell half your position and see what the other half does. And then what you adjust your stop loss, right? Right, so that's just my bullish thesis on it, right? If everything goes, if buying pressure is coming in, if the market's good and everything, that's just how I would play this out, right? But let's just say, for instance, it doesn't go the way that I planned. It doesn't. It comes around right around here, 440. But when it comes around 440 at my entry, I'll take a small position. I'll have my stop loss in place, and if it goes against me, I'll get stopped out. Simple as that. And then I'll see what it's gonna do right around this area. Right, I'll pay attention to this area. I'll see what it's going to do right around this area, right? And then if it comes around this area and then it starts holding, I'll add. But if it doesn't, if it breaks, then I'll wait. I'll wait for a different position, or you know what? I'll even wait for a different. I'll trade a different coin. It doesn't really necessarily matter, right? As long as you're minimizing your risk, and then that's how you're protecting your account. First thing first, you want to protect your account. You want to protect your money that you have, right? And then. So yeah, basically that's what it is. It doesn't necessarily have to go this way. It could also start, what could happen is it could actually break down and then start making lower lows and lower lows, right? Just because it comes around these areas right here, just because you see it come around this area and touch, you don't have, it's not a good idea to enter right away. You always want to wait for confirmation. That's extremely important, right? You want to wait for confirmation because it could easily as start making lower highs and lower lows, right? It all depends on the environment that we're in. It all depends on the environment, right? Currently, right now, the environment is hot. A lot of money is coming into cryptocurrency, right? So it could go many, many different ways. It doesn't necessarily have to do this. There's so many different possibilities this could happen. This could start consolidating right around here. If it starts consolidating, that'll be a really, really good sign. If it's hold this area right around here, 440, it'll be a really, really good sign, right? So this is just my trade ideas. This is how I would trade this out, play this out in the short term. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have yourself a great day. Thank you.